So this is fx value, fx of x is 0.04 x. This is the value of PDF. Now as it is a straight line passing through the origin having a slope 0.04, so we write here, thus it is straight line, it is a straight line passing through origin, passing through origin having slope 0.04. So sketch of PDF is, this is the sketch of PDF, it is x, it is 0, 1, 2, and this is, here I directly write 10. It is 0.04, it is 0.08, this is 0.4. So this is for 1 point, this is for 2, and this one is for 10. So here is a straight line passing through the origin. Now the next problem was asked in exam for 6 marks. So a random variable x is defined by, random variable x is defined by CDF. So fx of x is equal to, it is 0, half x and k. This is x less than 0, it is x and 1, and it is x greater than 1. So we have to first find k, then second find and sketch PDF, find and sketch PDF, and third one p of x greater than 2. So first we have to find the value of this fx, first we have to find the value of k. So for that we write here fx of x is equal to k, and this is for x greater than equal to 1, that is we can write k is equal to 1. Okay, now next one, second is find and sketch PDF. So we have to write the find the value of PDF. So second one, we have equation fx of x is d by dx of capital Fx of x, which is d by dx of half x. So fx of x is, it is half. This is for 0, x and 1. Now here fx of x, it is half. Okay, and this is PDF. We write here, this figure shows PDF. This figure is for the PDF. And next we have to find the probability. So probability of x1 x2, it is integration x1 to x2 fx of x dx. Therefore p of x greater than 2 integration 2 to infinity kx dx. What is the value of k? It is 1, so it is its answer is 0. So next problem is the PDF of x is defined. The PDF of x is defined as fx of x is k e raised to minus 4x and it is 0. It is x greater than 0, x less than equal to 0. So we have to find first constant, second p1x2, third one p of x greater than 3 and fourth one p of x less than 1. So first we find the area under curve. We write here, we know that area under PDF, not curve, area under PDF is 1. So we can write here integration goes from 0 to infinity k e raised to minus 4x dx is equal to 1. Okay, so k is constant, e raised to minus 4x integration is divided by 4, so it is 0 to infinity, it is equal to 1. So we solve it now. So k is constant, e raised to infinity is 0, minus 1 which is equal to 1. So k is equal to 4. Minus, okay. Now for the range x greater than equal to 0, fx of x is equal to 4 e raised to minus 4x. So we have the value of k, we substitute this and we can write down fx of x is 4 e raised to minus 4x. Now second we have to find the probability. Second, so it is p of 1x2, x is in between 2 and 1, so integration goes from 1 to 2 fx of x into dx. Now we know now the equation of fx of x, so it is 1 to 2 4 e raised to minus 4x dx. So we can solve this. It is 4 is constant, we take it outside the integration, it is e raised to minus 4x by 4 integration 1 to 2, so it is minus. Okay, so 4 get cancelled, here it is minus 1 into e raised to minus 4x, here we put 2, so e raised to minus 8 minus e raised to minus 4. Okay, so this value is 4 into 1, so e raised to minus 4, so its value is, by calculation we get 0.0179. 0.0179. Here we just replace these integration values 2 and 1, 4 get cancelled, e raised to minus 4 into 2 minus e raised to minus 4 into 1, so it is minus 1 into e raised to minus 8 minus e raised to minus 4. So by using calculation we can find the value of this, so it is 0.0179. Now next, third one, we have to find the probability. So for p x greater than 3, integration goes from 3 to infinity fx of x dx. So integration goes from 3 to infinity fx of x is 4 e raised to minus 4x into dx. So 4 is constant outside the integration, e raised to minus 4x by minus 4, it is minus 3 to infinity. So 4 get cancelled, it is minus 1 into e raised to minus infinity minus e raised to minus 4 into 3 is 12. So this value is 6.14 into 10 raised to minus 6. So in this way we can find the value of last one also, that is for the probability of x less than 1. So it is 3 to infinity it is 0 to 1. It is 0 to 1. So fx of x dx, we have the value of fx dx, so we substitute these values here. It is 0 to 1, 4 e raised to minus 4x dx. So 4 is constant, e raised to minus 4x by minus 4, so it is 0 to 1. So it is minus 1 to e raised to minus 4 into 1 is minus e raised to 4 into 0 is 0. So it is 0.018. So this is the answer. Now this type of problem was asked in exam for 8 mark. This problem was asked in previous exam for 8 marks. So these are very simple problems. In this way we can find the values of the probability and the PDA also constant, that is k. Now next is the problems based on the random variable and PDF. So we can solve this problem in the next lecture.